it's me, Blue. So, if you saw my live video, it was really embarrassing. It was my first time and I was super nervous. Oh my gosh, did you see that part where I was like, hi, it's me, Blue. And then like 5 seconds later, hi, it's me, Blue, because I thought the camera stopped. Anyway. Now we're getting back into things I am excellent at. So today I'm going to show you how to make Sun and Moon BFF bracelets. Let's get started. First you'll need different color strings. I'm using dark blue and light blue. They're back here. Clay, tools, jump rings, and pliers. Different colored clay. I'm using white for the moon, yellow for the sun, and orange for like the sun's rays. And I'm also making a cloud and a star to go with it. Bracelet bullets. A permanent marker. And I'm going to cheat and use a little mold for the star. You'll also need a glue gun, but I'm not showing it because it's hot. Oh, also, eye pins. Glaze. Ooh. We're going to start with the sun, so the first thing to do is get a piece of your yellow clay and roll it into a sphere and then flatten it a little. It's so perfect. I don't want to open it. So now we're going to do the sun's rays. Cut out little tiny triangles and stick them onto your yellow sphere, or flattened sphere. Since I already have my yellow clay out, I'm going to do the star. So I'm going to cheat and use this, but if you don't have a mold, you can just use one of your clay tools to cut a star out. Now it's time to make the moon. So roll your white clay into a sphere, flatten it, and cut out the crescent moon shape. After that, use your clay tool to make craters. Now we're going to make the clouds. So I'm just going to roll out a flat shape and cut out the cloud shape. After that, stick an eye pin in your charm and bake it for however long your clay packet says. While those are in the oven, let's work on the bracelet. So I'm going to start with the moon charm. So I've got 2 different colors of dark blue. Cut up a bunch of strings that fit around your wrist and tape them to the surface that you're working on. Braid your strings together. Trim the ends of your bracelet so they're all the same length. Glue the ends of your bracelet inside the bullet. Now do the same thing with the light blue. Now use your permanent marker to draw a cute little face on the clay charms, and then glaze them. Now use your jump rings to connect your charms. So this is what they look like. Sun, moon, sun, moon. And that's it. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out the Glitter Girls website also for cool videos, recipes, like little tests to see what are you, and all that fun stuff. Bye! Don't forget to give one to your best friend.